Hey everybody, I'm pretty excited to talk to you tonight about SNDL, which is Sundial Growers Inc., as a swing trade or a possible long-term hold. But first and foremost, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all just my personal opinion. And to be completely transparent, after doing my research for the video, I did buy 460 shares of Sundial right before the after hours closed. Now I have Sundial's chart pulled up for March 16th with a couple indicators. This yellow line is your 200-day estimated moving average. The white line is your 15-day moving average. When the white line is above the yellow line, it's signifying you're in bullish territory, and when it's below, you're in bearish territory. Sundial spent the entire day today in bearish territory on a downward trend before finding a great level of support at 151 during the power hour, and then finished off the night holding that level of support. The 5-day chart will show you that Sundial has spent the majority of the last 5 days in bullish territory, showing significant movement upwards and nice gains before having a pullback and then this level of consolidation right here. The 3-month chart will show you that while this consolidation and this pullback did happen, Sundial appears to be primed and ready for a swing trade. Now, a swing trade, what I look for personally is two different things: a chart setup that I like, and then a piece of news catalyst that will drive the price. Sundial definitely has a chart setup with the upward movement and then the nice level of support at 151. And then I know from my research there's been 3 pieces of news that have been released within the last 72 hours that I believe are going to really help drive the price. But why do I think this so-called meme stock has more going for it? Well, Sundial is a Canadian-based cannabis company that is in the production, distribution, and sale of cannabis for medical and adult use. Their products are used in prescription medicines, and then they also sell their Sundial cannabis branded dried flower products in a range of formats, which include pre-rolls, oils, capsules, and now vapes. So looking at their website, you will see that Sundial has come out with their new vape product, and this is a single strain extract made from whole flower and shakes. I believe that these vape products are now going to be focusing on using their Sundial branded flowers, just based off the way that the profile was written. They also feature some of their flowers. And then they also have 3 grow facilities in Canada. All 3 appear to be indoor facilities, is what you would really need for a legitimate operation, because the cannabis needs to be heavily regulated with lighting conditions and temperature and humidity and stuff like that. And then they boast that they have 448,000 square feet of grow area, which is huge. Some of the news catalysts that have came out is that the Mutual Fund Dealers Association of Canada has sent out a notice of settlement hearing between 8 clients and James Bennett. James Bennett appears to have been handling the clients' mutual funds and was doing some shady stuff using altered paperwork and not getting them to sign off on the alterations, and then some pre-signed forms. So it seems like the settlement is going to happen on the 30th to try and make things right if they could come to an agreement. The second piece of news, which I think is huge, is Sundial and SAF Group announced a strategic capital partnership. Now, SAF Group is a business consulting firm which aims to enhance each client's individual effectiveness as well as their organization's productivity. So now you have a company that did a real forward-looking move and has hired an outside company to help them be better at what they do. I think this is huge, and I think it's setting them up. And then the third piece of news is something that's been on the calendar, and it's the earnings report will be released after hours on March 17th. Now, when this was being talked about as a meme stock, all I heard about it was that they are debt-free. So I pulled the third quarter earnings report, and I did find that they are carrying debt as of the third quarter. So it'll be interesting to see if they paid off that debt or if that was just a rumor trying to pump the stock. Either way, I believe this company has a lot going for them with this hiring of a consulting firm, because I think they are trying to get out of so much as the final product only being issued and moving something more into like what OGI does. OGI is also a Canadian-based cannabis company, but they are permitted to possess, produce, sell, provide, ship, deliver, transport, and destroy cannabis plants, including plants and seeds, cannabis oil, and they are also authorized wholesale shipping of cannabis plant cuttings, dried flowers, blends, pre-rolls, and cannabis oil to approved retailers and wholesalers. So I think they are trying to get more into the distribution side of the business like OGI seems to be in. And I think that strategic partnership with SAF Group is really going to help drive that for them. But either way, looking at the 3-month chart, if that doesn't pan out, they still are primed, in my opinion, to have a great run for the next few days based on the upward trend and the really healthy level of support at 151. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. It will really help out. And if you want me to cover any specific stocks, leave it in the comment and I can take a look at it.